appreciate the brochure. What's up guys, welcome to my apartment tour. I'm in Bin Tan district, which is kind of out of the city, but you can see my apartment building behind me. The goal of the video for today is to show you guys around my apartment, keep it short and simple, let you know what it's like to live in an apartment at $234 a month. $234 a month. Not mistaken, $234 a month. That doesn't include the monthly fee for management stuff, such as cleaning and maintenance and all that good stuff. But I'm just sitting up front of the building here. I wanted to show you guys around. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Let's get in the building. There's good security. You do need your card to get in. Come on, Joel. Immediately with the air conditioning and the clean foyer. Nice little seating arrangement once you first come into the building. Nice air conditioned and relaxing place. You have 6 elevators, which are all very nice and quick. Don't need to be waiting for the elevators. Here is a place where you can rent out to teach lessons or some type of things. Teach thingies, teach, you know what I'm saying? Take you guys out to the where you can find the sauna. Hello, Angel. And you can find the gym and the yoga room. So, excuse me while I go in the bathroom here. Don't worry, guys. You need to close your eyes. Nobody's here. Sauna included. Included sauna. Boop, boop. You like that? You like that? It's a sauna. They even have mirrors in the bathroom. The bathroom has mirrors. All right, just outside the bathroom, we've entered the courtyard, if you will. Friendly family environment for the kids to do rock climbing, play basketball, play in the sand pit, badminton. Just up there in the distance on the roof is a tennis court, just beyond those trees there. Guys, we're talking $234 a month for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, new building, 18th floor. This is great. All right, coming just back out of the bathroom now to show you the yoga studio and the gym. Hello. Hello. Here's the yoga studio, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect area to come and do some yoga or dancing, work on your dance moves while you film yourself. Whee! All right, and the gym. Gym in the evening, unfortunately, is very crowded. But we got air conditioning and almost everything you need. Wouldn't say it's the best place to work out legs, but who needs legs? Just kidding. So yeah, that's included in the price of rent, which is nice. Air conditioning especially. And let's go back outside here. All right, so now we're in my apartment, guys. We'll start off by showing you the view. From the 18th floor, these are the other buildings. Like I said, there's 4 buildings in total. And there's the amenities I was showing you where I did my little dance, basketball court, badminton court, swimming pool, which wraps around to an additional one. There's jacuzzis in this, and as you can see, the guys down there below cleaning the pool. They do it every Monday, so it's nice and clean. When I got this apartment, guys, I opted for the non-furniture. Here it is, guys. This is what $234 a month gets you on the outskirts of Saigon City. Big spacious living room, a bit of a minimalist myself. Big kitchen. I like to do all my own cooking, so nice. This came with 3 stoves, which is always convenient. A light that pops out. This area here is where you can put a washing machine to dry your clothes. So that's useful, and this is the window to the spare bedroom, which I'll show you now. Spare bedroom is here. I had a friend living in here for about a month and a bit. At one point, I think he was comfortable enough, so that's good. Big arm wire, lots of space to put things in, shelves and whatnot. The apartment came with a desk and a nightstand. This is the second bathroom. Same toilet, shower with a glass door, which is nice in Vietnam because a lot of the time there's no glass door and the water just goes all over the floor and your feet are wet and you go here and then there's freaking foot marks everywhere. This is my bedroom, guys. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess. Nice view out into the pool. Another arm wire where I keep my things. And then my bathroom, second bathroom. Also with a shower, toilet, everything you need. Yeah. I chose not to buy furniture except for this desk here, as I knew I wouldn't be staying here for a long time, but it's a big apartment with lots of potential. You can decorate it in any way that you'd like, and when you're spending $234 a month for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, stove and everything included, can't really complain. Almost forgot, guys. Last but not least, I thought it'd be interesting to show you what's just outside my front door when I walk downstairs. Here you have a place that does milk tea and coffee, which has an upstairs kind of like working space area on the second floor, which is actually very spacious and nice. Here, pizza, may garan is pizza, milk tea, like noodles, pasta, fried chicken, and coffee. So that's another option. And as I mentioned, there's 4 buildings, so all the way around the whole apartment complex at the bottom there's convenience stores and markets. I'm not exaggerating, there's probably 6 or 7 markets the size that we're about to walk into, where you can find everything you need when it comes to cooking, toiletries, or what have you. So here's an example. Fresh meats available just downstairs outside my apartment. Right? Decent prices. The various companies have various prices. Vietnam always loading up on their greens and vegetables. So good. Assortment of minced meats, chicken. Vietnam, of course, you got the frog, some kind of paste of some sort. There's some more adventurous things than other ones, but yeah, get the picture. Fruits available, various frozen delights. Milk, snacks, fruit, ice cream, and of course you got your toiletries and laundry stuff. Need to pick myself up some diapers. Just kidding. Where am I? Depends. Get it? Candy, all that good stuff. And everything you need. Yeah. Thank you, Anne. Just exiting out the other side here, and you can see, I'll show you over here, this is just inside the complex where I've shown you, and there's a GS25 and a mini stop. GS25 is a Korean brand. It's similar to Circle K or 7-Eleven, a little bit more pricey than the mini stop. Mini stop, I'm not sure if it's Vietnamese, but it's cheaper and you can get the same options, so very convenient. And as you walk around all the complexes, there's many stores and stuff. So let's get on to the outro. I'm all confused. If you made it this far in the video, I owe you a huge thank you. I realize how unorganized this video was. Learning as I go. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you made it this far, give it a like, a comment. Let me know what you want to see in future videos of my life living here in Vietnam. I'll give you a breakdown, basically what I was trying to do with this video. Living in Vietnam is so affordable, and spending something like $234 a month and still making a decent salary for working a part-time job here is life-changing for me, and it opens up a lot of doors to be able to have free time, to be able to explore other options in terms of your current job. So I've been spending free time learning various skills, video editing, trading, not getting angry at dogs barking while I'm trying to record. Just kidding. But yeah, $234, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, It's got a swimming pool, jacuzzis, air hockey, foosball, sorry. It comes with everything you can imagine. So I'm really grateful to be living in this situation. I encourage people to get out of their comfort zone and try it. I mean, you don't have to live here for 5-6 years like I have. You can come for a few months, get an apartment sorted out for 3 months, and live in the same city, get used to it, see whether you like it, go back home if you don't, or try a different city in Vietnam or somewhere else in Southeast Asia. It's an incredible experience. I've been living abroad now for about 11 years, about 5.5 years in China, 5.5 years now in Vietnam, and I see myself living here indefinitely. So I don't mean to bore you guys, but just letting you know, it's not impossible. If you guys ever have an idea to move abroad or try living abroad temporarily, let me know. I'll leave my email in the description again. Please leave comments and any content you'd like to see in the future. I'd love to try and film something to share my point of view or my opinion on whatever that content is. And yeah, if you have any questions about how to get a hold of the person that rented me this apartment, or why I decided to, any questions at all, just send me an email. Email will be down in the description, and I promise my viewers in my future videos that I will make this more organized. Like I said, I'm learning as I go, so I appreciate you watching this far. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.